hello, I'm back to you with another video. Oh. Anyways, I look crazy, right? I know. I just woke up and I'm about to wash my hair, so I brushed out all my curls and stuff. But yeah, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna show you how to wash your curly hair and revive back your curls. As you can see, I look crazy because my curls not. I'm about to wash my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to successfully wash your wigs or sew-ins with curly hair. Basically the same as straight hair, but straight hair and curly hair, like, to get the best style for each hair, you dry it differently. So yeah, and I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna get back to the next video. Okay, hair, I'm just wetting up the hair, getting it ready to get washed, combing out any extra knots or any tangles in the hair so that it'll be able to wash, so I will be able to wash the hair better. Okay, here I am using the Coconut Water brand shampoo. I would use the Coconut brand on my natural curly hair, so I decided to use that for the curly hair as well. Okay, so here is just the pre-wash, just wetting up the hair, adding some soap, not as much soap as I would use for the second wash. Just rubbing in the soap, getting it all throughout the hair, making sure that it is evenly distributed throughout all parts of the hair. Okay, and then I'm going to turn the wig around just to get the closure part, make sure that's clean as well. Get the bundles or tracks, make sure that's clean because that's the closest part to your natural head. Just want to make sure that's clean and good, and all the oils or anything that comes out of your natural hair that goes onto the wig is out as well. I recorded it so where you can see the water, and right now as you can see the water is actually dirty, and by the end of the video you're going to realize that the water is actually clear, and that's because the water is dirty because the hair is dirty, and then you're going to see how clean I get the hair. Now this is the second wash. Here I'm adding more soap, and I'm actually taking my time and scrubbing through the hair, making sure that it is getting clean and making sure that all the dirt, all the oils, anything that I put in my hair, anything I did to the hair is all getting out. Any chemicals that I put in the hair, any products, is all coming out of the hair. And then I'm combing through while the soap is in it to make sure that the soap is evenly distributed through the hair, and to make sure that the hair does not gnats back up. Now I'm just gonna go and rinse all that soap out, get all the soap, all the dirt, make sure it's all out of the hair, make sure that the hair is really clean to it's the best clean it could be. Just making sure that the hair is really clean and there's no more residue or products, anything that I put in the hair is not there anymore. if you was paying attention the first time when I said it, you can see that the water is not as dirty and brown as it was when I first did the pre-wash. It's actually clearer, but then you're going to see at the end that it's actually going to be clear water. Now here I'm going to add the coconut water conditioner to condition the hair, make sure that it's deep conditioned. I'm going to add the conditioner all throughout the hair. As you can see, it took me a while to get the conditioner out the bottle. Distribute the conditioner throughout the hair. Meanwhile, I'm finger combing the hair, making sure that all the gnats and stuff is out of the hair, making sure that the hair is getting well conditioned. Every bit of the hair is getting conditioned. Now I'm going to take my weave brush. Some people call it a paddle brush. I call it a weave brush. Just gonna comb through the hair, make sure it's all good, make sure there's no gnats in the hair, make sure that the conditioner is all through the hair thoroughly, just make sure it's all good and good. Usually I would use a shower cap. I ain't had no shower caps at the moment. Sometimes I use the plastic bag. I ain't felt looking for one, so I grabbed the next big thing in my eyes, and that was a Ziploc bag. Just putting it in there, letting it sit in the Ziploc bag for a good 30 minutes. Letting all the moisturizer, all the nutrients that the conditioner gives the hair, letting it set in. Now I'm just washing out all the conditioner, making sure the hair is fully clean and good and well. Earlier in the video, I did say that you was going to be able to see that the water was clear, but now that I'm looking at it, I didn't actually show the water in this last part, but it is clear. Sorry about that. Now here is the drying part. I'm just going to take pieces of the hair and I'm going to comb it thoroughly through, making sure that there's no gnats, and then I'm going to twist the hair up, as you will see in this clip. The 2-strand twist, nothing special, nothing spectacular. No one's gonna see it anyways, just to make sure that the hair dries properly in my eyes. This is how I feel like the hair, curly hair, dries properly, is when you separate it and twist it up or braid it up. how I properly did it. Sorry about the angles. I didn't realize till now that I'm watching it that you really couldn't see how I did the end, but it's just the same basically all the way through to the end. I just let it air dry throughout the night, and by the morning time it be dry. Okay, and my hair is back too curly as it should be, but yes, I love my curls. I love it. I love it. I love them. I mean, it's time to puff back up because I kept combing at it. Like this video, I washed my hair yesterday, and this video is like basically Friday now. Like I washed my hair Wednesday and it's basically Friday now. And I kept combing it out throughout the day while I was in school yesterday. So yeah. But my curls is back. It don't look crazy no more. It's tamed. Basically everything that I use for my natural hair, my natural curly hair, I use for this hair. It works. Curls is back. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Let me say this. I am so sorry for the big gap and the long wait of another video. I've just been so busy. Just bear with me. Okay, just bear with me, guys. And comment. I'm even gonna leave my Snapchat and my Instagram down below, so you can always just inbox me, snap me, anything you want to see, anything you want me to do, anything you want me to talk about, anything you want to learn that I probably know. And yeah, we could just work together, collaborate, be one. But like, comment, subscribe, guys, please. I just want to get to like at least 50 before the year's over. I would say I used to say before October, but October's here and I didn't get it. So before the year's over, like I would just be happy with 50 subscribers before the year's over. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on, guys, just 50 subscribers. I know I'm still young, but I just want 50 subscribers, guys. Just 50. Is that hard? A 5 and a 0. Please give me the 50 subscribers. And yeah, just tell a friend, check out this video. I'm doing the best I can. And I'm pretty. But yeah, peace out and see you later.